This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel, suppress the videos, because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP, but I see an avalanche of XRP ETFs, spot ETFs being approved next month, and maybe even sooner, because the deadlines are in October and November. But they could be live a lot sooner. And here's why. The SEC said today that they are withdrawing all their delay notices on the XRP spot ETFs. In my opinion, this is great news. This puts all these spot XRP spot ETFs on the fast track to going live. Bottom line is this. The SEC knows that XRP is the present and the future of global finance. Okay? The fact that they reverse course and now are withdrawing their delays of the approval of the XRP spot ETFs is big news. This is going to fast track a lot of the XRP spot ETFs, and it's going to bring in BlackRock, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity even sooner than anticipated, in my opinion. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP. What I'm telling you is this. The SEC announcing that they're withdrawing all delays, it means that the XRP spot ETFs are going to be flooding NASDAQ very soon. The only thing that I'm concerned about is the bad actors, okay? Once they have these ETFs up and running, you know what they start doing. They start naked shorting them. They start spoofing. They start watching. They start doing what they do. And if there's enough 1%ers who are long on these XRP spot ETFs, then maybe the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI will step in and control a majority of the fraud and corruption, or hold some naked shorters accountable. But if some of these spot ETFs, these XRP spot ETFs, are majority owned by retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, more than likely, and this is just my opinion, more than likely, they're going to naked short them to death, and the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI are going to practice willful blindness. Now, you guys know I own XRP. Will I get involved in the XRP spot ETFs? Not sure yet. Depending on how they're moving, I might do some derivatives, some call options, some put options to make a little weekly income on them, depending on what I'm seeing. But if I directly invest in any XRP spot ETFs, I'm going to be invested in the ones that are majority owned by the institutions. Because when financial products are majority owned by the institutions, you see less fraud and corruption, because the criminals know that the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI are not going to practice willful blindness if they're robbing from other 1%ers. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's a positive catalyst for XRP that the SEC has withdrawn all delay notices? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.